Forget the track, the drone can fly through the gaps beneath the canopy where the twigs like to slap. This ancient wood is like a slow-motion wreck, with holly talons reaching for your neck. The oaks are melting, heavy, low and wide, with hollow bellies where creatures like to hide. Deep in Wantisden, the farmer's pigs scream a yell, mimicking sounds from the basements of hell. Not far from Butley's marsh and Capel sand, the twigs are the heart of this beautiful land. Don't whisper names or the wood might hear. The twigs and the park is thirsty this time of year. Monsters in the bark, faces in the grain, drinking up the mist and the North Sea rain. You're walking on the leaves of 1,000 autumns past, in a labyrinth built to forever last. A parish of 30 or so, a village of trees, where the history's brought to its gnarly knees. The air is fresh and breezy on this fine spring day. The farm is now quiet, feels a lifetime away. Just the creak of a limb and the snap of a twig, where the shadows are small but the ghosts are big. Leave the car at the lay-by, leave the phone in the door. Free yourself from the rest of the world when you walk this forest floor. Staverton's watching, Narlandy, the secret that Wantisden intended to keep.